Artificial intelligence is a specialized technology capable of recognizing intellectual entities and assisting humans in making better judgments. Artificial intelligence is the robotization of intelligent behavior that ruminates and acts in the same way as humans do. Challenges without AI. As compared to other industries, such as manufacturing, the construction industry faces numerous hurdles that have hampered its expansion and resulted in exceptionally low productivity levels. The lack of digitalization and the industry's extremely conventional nature make the project management more complex and time-consuming than it needs to be. Uses. There are numerous possible or based uses on the developed cases for AI in various stages of the construction project cycle. AI-based construction technology can assist in a number of ways during the construction process. AI can help with construction execution planning and keep all stakeholders up to date. Furthermore, AI has the ability to increase the efficiency of construction projects. Example of AI being used. In 2017, one construction intelligence startup announced that their robotics and artificial intelligence would be the solution to fixing late and over-budget building projects. Autonomous robots collect 3D scans of construction sites, which are then sent to a deep neural network that classifies how far along certain sub-projects are. Future algorithms will employ an AI approach known as reinforcement learning. Algorithms can learn through trial and error using this technique. It can evaluate an infinite number of combinations and alternatives depending on previous work. It helps with project planning because it optimizes and corrects itself over time. Advantages. It gives relevant predictive and prescriptive insights, which makes it to perform faster inspection and monitoring, better accuracy, reliability, and transparency. It is cost-effective, which yields increased productivity, reduced planning effort, simplified monitoring and control, optimal plan and schedules. It is mostly knowledge-based systems, which culminates in simple access to essential information, easy to update, ability to explain logic behind solution, consistency and availability. It can work with incomplete information giving clear logic. Disadvantages. It doesn't have the complete data and it requires the action recognition of equipment and/or workers. With the engagement of AI in the construction industry, potential job loss is occurring due to automation, maintenance and repair costs, which makes it an unstructured work environment which creates an intellectual property protection and security issues. The construction site noise, homonyms, accent fluctuation and other speech recognition issues also subsist.